College.
Khadija,
Good
Zahira,
morning,
Ayan, turn on your camera. Good morning, everyone.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Assalamualaikum.
Yeah, walaikum salam. Tullah. Look at the screen. Start each day with a positive thought. Okay. Khadija, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Could you please turn on your cam?
Yeah.
Shakira, where are you sitting there? You're in your coat? Bed? Shakira?
Yes, ma'am, because it's so cold.
No,
And
it's not allowed.
Okay.
Go to your
I,
study area. Not allowed to sit in the bed.
because I don't, it's not my home. I am actually at my grandma's house. I do classes here only.
Okay, that's right.
Ma'am, now can you see me?
Yes, Khadija, I can see you. Yes. What about the articles of the magazine? Did you started the
I'm still working on it.
okay? And which day is the last day? The 31st this month. Last day. The last day is the last
We all
submission
need to
for the as a the magazine.
everyone needs to, right?
I started to
Try to
paint that. I
oh,
started.
you. I didn't get Hanan.
I started to painting, but it's not finished.
Finished. Okay. Okay. So do it speedily. So and I think you got the mail ID. Did you got that? And please take all of you, please take your WhatsApp group and maybe it will become into the mail ID also today or tomorrow. We shared one mail ID for the assignment submission. Sorry, the magazine submission. You can use that mail ID for that. Okay. Anyone else?
Mom,
I
what's
think
your ID, ma'am? I need to send it for your email.
just check your it's magazine something like that. Mageonline.org. Check your WhatsApp group. Okay, it will be there.
Ma'am, do the magazine thing is necessary?
Yeah, it's necessary. It's compulsory to do that. Okay, it's necessary. You should
All
submit. You should,
students.
yeah, all student. It's needed because it's our magazine. It's we are going to publish. It's our Mage magazine. So you all is student of the Mage. So you want to do that. It's necessary.
Teacher, can I ask you something? Like,
Yes, Shakira.
could you show me like how the school magazine is created? Because
Mm.
I'm getting confused. Like,
Why you confusing?
he's there.
Yeah,
Because I don't
you got that
understand what
messages?
I'm supposed to
Did
make.
you
If
receive?
I'm trying to make something drawings or stories, I'm
Yeah, you
confused.
can make.
Morning, ma'am.
Yeah, you can make like that, Shakira. I'll give you other message to the you. I'll share you again this. So after reading that, you will get the idea. Okay. One message is there. Look at the WhatsApp group and you will get the clear idea of about that. Okay. And one thing, so for the teach, is I'm audible?
Yeah.
Yes. The main thing that I want to say, respect each other. Okay. The students are equal for us. The teachers for the students, all are equal for us. There is no hero is here. There is no heroine is there. Only all are equal. So don't feel like that. Respect each other. Talk with good manner. That's the main thing. Some teachers point about your some situation they shared with us. So don't do that like that. Respect each other. You all are equal. Khadija, Nuha, Ayan, Shakira, Ifa, Zaira, all are equal here. Okay. Respect each other. Okay, don't feel you are the hero, you are the topper, you are the winner, you are the best performer, you are the best students. Okay, don't feel like that. Be humble. Okay, it's clear. So, okay, thank you all. Have a nice day. It's a small reminder to you. Okay, all the students are equal to us. Okay, yes. Okay, dears. So look at the screen. Start each day with positive thought. Okay. So all the best. Have a nice day to you. Wishing a good day to you. All the very best.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.